Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to get a video for CapCut edit on your iOS or iPhone. So first thing we're gonna do is open the CapCut application. Here I already have mine, and now please take a look on the camera here. Just click it and you will be accessed or generated into the camera that provided by the CapCut. Here there will be an option, either you want to do a multi-clips or one shot. So multi-clips will be give you a time or duration for each clip, but if you want to do one shot, just click the one shot. Make sure you are in the video section, and you can also use the effects that provided by CapCut. Yes, you can just explore the effect that you want to use. For me, let's try test. Okay, hold on. Now the effects is already applied into my camera, and let's start record. And after you recorded, you already have one video that ready to use for your CapCut. You can just need to click edit to bring it into your project, and that's all the way you get a video for the CapCut. But if you want to have another way, you can just go by click this plus button here, and you will be generated into your all photos and video, and you can choose the video that you want to add. And that's also the way you get your video to edit into your CapCut. That's for tutorial today. If you find that this tutorial is really helpful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.